Most of us have tried out a wide range of calibers throughout our time on the range, but there's something about the .308 Winchester that consistently draws interest from both new shooters and longtime marksmen. Have you had the opportunity to shoot with this cartridge yet? If not, you might be wondering which .308 rifle offers the best balance of dependability and beginner-friendly handling. We've put together a solid lineup of the top 6 .308 rifles that are ideal for both learning and serious use. Stick with us and we'll break down each one so you can find the right match for your next day at the range or out in the field. Number 6. Ruger American Rifle. Leading off the list is the Ruger American Rifle, a fantastic entry-level option for those just getting started. This bolt-action platform comes with a cold hammer-forged barrel known for outstanding precision right out of the box. That means better groupings and more confidence behind the trigger. Another big win is its adjustable marksman trigger, letting you dial in your preferred pull weight, whether you like it light for finesse shots or a little heavier for hunting. The synthetic stock is tough but light, so it's easy to carry and handle, especially on long days in the field. A detachable rotary magazine simplifies loading and ensures dependable cycling. The action includes a 3-lug bolt with a 70-degree lift, giving you plenty of room between the bolt handle and your optic. This rifle is built with shooters in mind. Checkering on the pistol grip and forend gives you a secure hold in rain, dust, or heat. It comes ready to accept optics too, with a drilled and tapped receiver and scope bases pre-installed so you can mount your glass with minimal hassle. For new shooters looking for a rifle that's easy to control, budget-friendly, and delivers solid accuracy, the Ruger American Rifle checks all the boxes. Number 5. Savage Axis. Next up is the Savage Axis, a no-nonsense bolt gun that's become a go-to for shooters wanting quality on a budget. One of its key features is the free-floated barrel, which means there's no contact with the stock, helping maintain accuracy with every shot. The factory AccuTrigger gives you a smooth, crisp break, elevating your trigger control as you get more range time. Durability is baked into the design. The reinforced synthetic stock handles abuse without flinching, ideal for rough terrain or harsh weather. The bolt action cycles cleanly and reliably, making it an ideal platform for someone just starting to learn precision shooting. The 4-round detachable magazine offers reliable feeding and simple reloading. The ergonomic stock design improves grip and feel, while the recoil pad with built-in vents helps soak up kick, giving your shoulder a break. The textured gripping surfaces keep your hands locked in, even when conditions turn slippery. This rifle also comes with a carbon steel barrel that features precision button rifling, delivering reliable stability and repeatable accuracy. Pre-drilled and tapped for scope mounts, the Savage Axis is ready for optics the moment it's out of the box. If you want serious performance without breaking the bank, this rifle delivers big. Number 4. Remington 700. Few bolt-action rifles are as iconic as the Remington 700. It has long been a staple in American hunting camps and shooting ranges, prized for its precision and rock-solid build. Chambered in .308 Winchester, it remains one of the most versatile and trusted rifles available today. At the heart of this platform is a cold hammer-forged barrel paired with a robust 3-ring steel receiver, both contributing to the rifle's outstanding accuracy. The user-adjustable trigger means you can fine-tune it to your personal preference, whether you favor a featherlight break or a bit more resistance for field work. One of the biggest draws of the Remington 700 is its range of options. Whether you want a classic walnut stock for traditional looks or a synthetic stock for weather resistance, there's a version for you. The rifle is also available in multiple barrel lengths and configurations to suit everything from long-distance target shooting to big-game hunting. Another reason this rifle continues to dominate the market is the endless customization potential. The aftermarket support is unmatched. You can upgrade barrels, triggers, stocks, and more to make it your own. Whether you want a precision rifle build or a rugged backcountry hunting rig, the Remington 700 is an outstanding foundation. Number 3. AR-10. If you're in the market for a rifle that brings more horsepower to the table, the AR-10 is a serious contender. Chambered in .308 Winchester, this platform delivers greater power and extended reach compared to its smaller sibling, the AR-15. It's a solid pick for taking on bigger game or for situations where longer-range precision matters. What really sets the AR-10 apart is its customizability. Like the AR-15, you can tailor just about every component: stocks, handguards, barrels, triggers, you name it. Whether you're setting it up for hunting, defense, or range use, this rifle adapts to your mission with ease. The AR-10 is built on a beefier frame to manage the added recoil and pressure of the .308 cartridge. That extra weight and size translate to improved durability and smoother shooting, especially over prolonged sessions. It's a favorite amongst seasoned shooters who want the power of a battle rifle combined with the flexibility of a modular system. Number 2. DPMS Oracle. Coming in strong is the Defense Procurement Manufacturing Services Oracle, better known as the DPMS Oracle, chambered in .308 Winchester. This rifle brings serious stopping power in a platform that's as capable in the field as it is on the range. Staying true to the AR-10 pattern, the Oracle includes a free-floating handguard to enhance accuracy and consistency. With its 16-inch barrel, it balances maneuverability and reach, ideal for shooting from tight blinds or open terrain. This rifle is optic-ready right out of the box thanks to a flat-top Picatinny rail and a military-standard A3 upper receiver, giving you plenty of options for mounting scopes or red dots. It's ready to be kitted out to match your shooting preferences. The adjustable paratrooper-style stock offers a comfortable, stable platform and aids in rapid target acquisition. A low-profile gas block keeps the rifle sleek and less prone to snagging, while the dust cover adds protection from grit and grime in tough environments. For shooters looking to get the most out of their investment, the DPMS Oracle delivers a high-performance, full-powered semi-auto rifle at a price point that's hard to beat. Number 1. Springfield M1A. At the top of the list is a true American classic, the Springfield M1A, a modern evolution of the legendary M14 battle rifle. This platform, chambered in .308 Winchester, is prized for its long-range precision and battlefield-grade reliability. You can get it with a traditional walnut stock for that old-school military look, or go with a synthetic stock if you're planning on running it in rugged conditions. Either way, it stays true to the original design while delivering modern performance. Thanks to its gas-operated rotating bolt system, the M1A cycles smoothly and reliably even under stress. The 22-inch National Match-Grade barrel ensures tight groupings and confident shots well beyond typical hunting distances. It comes equipped with a birdcage flash suppressor to minimize muzzle signature in low-light environments, an asset whether you're protecting your vision or maintaining a low profile. A parkerized finish protects all metal parts from corrosion, and the matte oil-finished stock adds both grip and weather resistance. The two-stage military trigger delivers a consistent, clean break every time, and a folding butt plate includes a handy storage compartment for small tools or field gear, perfect for keeping essentials close during extended outings. The Springfield M1A is the kind of rifle that feels at home both on the range and in a collector's safe. Combining historical design with serious accuracy and firepower, these three rifles stand out as some of the best .308 Winchester options available today. Whether you're just getting into shooting or looking to expand your collection, rifles like the Remington 700, DPMS Oracle, and Springfield M1A offer performance, reliability, and value that are hard to match. That wraps up our breakdown of the top .308 rifles. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're running and what's worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more gear, reviews, and tips from the world of firearms.